not only would we get an amazing new Barbie signature line this year, the Barbie Looks line, we would also get a wave 2 in the same year, less than 6 months later. How crazy is that? Merry Christmas to us Barbie collectors. So today I'm going to unbox the 2 Looks models that I have. So let's get these beauties out of the box. For the second wave of Barbie Looks dolls, we have 3 dolls and their signature color is silver. So they still have the classic, elegant, simple, pared down clothing, makeup, and hairstyles. But in this case, instead of black and white, we have silver and black. Let's look at the box a little more up close before I rip it apart and throw it away. Because silver is the accent color, that is the coloring for the boxes. It says Looks on the side and the model number on the other side. This is model number 7. And then on the back, you have a picture of the 3 newest dolls. This wave only has 3 dolls, which is half what the first wave had. But we do have an original, a petite, and a kin. So not mad at that. Actually, my wallet is a little glad there's only 3 this time. Same box, same picture, same colors. This is model number 8. Same picture on the back. And so that's... First up, Barbie Looks model number 7. She has a new face mold like all of the dolls and the Barbie Looks line does. Her face mold's name is Tamika, and if you look on the back, you can tell this is a new face mold because it's from 2021. This Barbie Looks model is a petite, and due to the fact there are only 3 petites in existence, she is a new petite made to move skin tone. Just looking at her right now, I think she's the same skin tone as model number 2 and the purple pants made to move. Barbie Looks model number 7 has essentially the same skin tone as Barbie Looks model number 2 and the purple pants yoga made to move. It does look a hair different in this lighting, but it's almost exactly the same. This means model number 7 is essentially the same color as the yellow top, but there is a bit more difference. Now Barbies in this skin tone have 3 made-to-move body options: original, petite, and curvy. How exciting! Woo! And to quickly compare her to the Yara Shahidi petite made-to-move, you can tell they are distinctly different skin tones as well. I'm really sad to say, but there were some issues that I noticed where they're right out of the box. So if you look at her face, it has some like paint issues happening right there. And I didn't notice that when I got her, or I might have sent her back and tried to get a new one. It's like a lavender, purple speckles. I don't know what's going on. I think I can get rid of the worst of it, but I'm not like a doll face repainter, so it's not really my strength, and I just want her to go perfect. Oh my gosh, what is going on with this doll? Look at that, there's like a... It is interesting to note that this doll has a lot more makeup than the previous wave of Looks models. She's like a blue smoky eye going on and a shadow even behind that. I think it's a very glam look, and it goes along with the silver and black color palette. I love this doll's outfit. So she has a mini skirt, high-waisted mini skirt, and a little bralette top that looks very pop star to me. And even as it is very glamorous, you can also kind of dress it down by taking one of the pieces away, maybe even dress it down by putting maybe model number 3's skirt on her. So I love the versatility of the Looks line. I think this is a new shoe mold. So they're like gladiator sandals that go very high up. They're closed at the top. There's a slit like to help it get on and off, and it's pretty squishy plastic. Like I don't think that will be an issue. And then if you look at her hair, she has her hair pulled up in a side ponytail. Feels like a good amount of hair, no product. Love the curl on it. And then just this final touch, final detail, they took a piece of strand and wrapped it around so you can't even see the elastic, which I think is gorgeous. I just love the petite body. Love the fact that we have another skin tone option. I got these 2 dolls from Walmart for $20 even before they were like officially released on Mattel's website. I'm hoping that this line will be easier to find than the last line. Everybody should be able to go out and get model number 7. Model number 8 is also a new face mold. Her face mold's name is Andra, and you can find that on Mattel's website. And she joins my favorite hairstyle club with the shaved short hair. Yes, I love it. This type of hairstyle is one of my favorites, and I think she looks so good. Online I've been seeing people say, oh, she looks like Miley Cyrus. She also reminds me a little bit of Pink's hair, and I think she's kind of shaved hairstyle twin to model number 3. Again, she has the more glam makeup going on with the red lip and then the purple eyeshadow and blue lining underneath. It's a very cool look, very modelly. Going back to her hair, it is very heavily gelled in place, and what's a little strange is the flocking on the side feels gelled down too. Like usually flocking on the side feels like kind of fuzzy or fluffy, but it feels a little crunchy like the hair gel, which is a little weird, but that's okay. She has shaved hair, she can do no wrong. Model number 8 is also on an original size made to move body, and looking at her some more, she kind of looks like she could be the twin sister, like the punk rock twin sister of model number 6, or if not the twin sister, maybe the rebellious younger sister of model number 6. Here, I think I have her right here. Don't they look like sisters? They both have the platinum blonde hair, but brown eyebrows. She definitely looks more like the more sensible, calm one. She's the punk rock one. I'm not 100% sure if their skin tones are the same, because she is a new lighter skin tone. Like the lightest one, actually, even lighter than the purple top. And I'm not sure if model number 8 is comparable to the purple top or even paler. Model number 8 is at the same time a hair darker than the purple top and a hair lighter than model number 6, which is kind of weird. I didn't realize you could split skin tones so minutely, but there you have it. I wonder if that means model number 8 is a bit darker than the curvy floral as well. No, it looks like the curvy floral and model number 8 are the same skin tone, so I guess the curvy floral has always been a tad bit darker than the purple top, and I just didn't realize. I think either way, you could get away with swapping a doll in this skin tone family onto any of these bodies, and it wouldn't look too bad. Now for a quick comparison of the shaved hair girls in the Looks Model Club. As you can see, model number 3 is much pinker than model number 8. I love this doll's pieces too. This black tank top, oh my goodness, it's amazing. So sleek, so cool, so versatile. And then her silver skirt is really awesome too. I like the high waist. Well, I guess it could be high-waisted. It's not really high-waisted. If you pull it up a little bit, she could be high-waisted. I love like the ruching on the sides. It's very tight. Goes all the way around. And it's a bit asymmetrical too. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that way or that's just how my doll is wearing it. I think it is a bit asymmetrical. And And then last, she has a new shoe mold as well. These cute, fun little booties. Again. Now, for the question everyone has been dying to know about the Looks Wave number 2. What is the stand quality like? The stands feel very firm, like firm, not squishy plastic at all. Good. This part feels about the same as the last one. I hope this hole is a bit tighter. Ooh, yes. Looks like it clips in pretty well. All right, final thoughts. These dolls are an excellent addition to the Barbie Looks line. They are gorgeous. I love their face molds, their clothing, their articulation, their skin tones, and their price point is amazing. $20 not only for a doll of this quality and made to move articulation, but you get a stand and very classic clothing pieces, plus the face molds and the hair. Like these dolls are a steal. If I have anything that I would say to Mattel or ask them for, it would be, one, please keep making them. Make another line. These are great dolls. Collectors love them. And the other thing I would ask them for is, can we have a broad Made to Move kin and a slim Made to Move kin? This would be an excellent place to introduce those Made to Move bodies, just saying. And I wish you all the best, all my viewers. If you want to get these dolls, I am hoping that you will be able to find them for their original price and add them to your collection, and that we don't have the same issues that we had with Wave 1. If you're still waiting on Wave 1, I hope you can find them and get them, because those are great dolls too. Model number 9 is on his way, but I have no idea when he's getting here, and I just had to get these girlies out of their boxes. So thank you so much for watching. Look out for a video about model number 9 whenever he arrives, and I'll catch you in my next video.